This oil stain has been here for about 10 years. We're going to use various cleaning products on it today to try and get rid of it. We'll be using the Thermatech, which gets up to 150 degrees C. Mel's just getting out some of the moss in between the blocks at the moment. There's a cat just walking past, watching us, going to give us support. Just brushed all the moss out from in between the blocks. Mel's just applying a bit of brick acid, and then we'll leave this a few minutes to soak in, and then we'll start off with the first go with the steam. Just had brick acid on it. Now we're doing an oil stain remover, and we're going to clean the blocks to the house as well. Mel's idea.